Welcome to our channel Easy Way to English. We have been discussing about tenses. Before learning tenses, it is essential to learn verb table. There are three types of verbs. Two types of verbs, they are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, first type, all forms are same. Second type, two forms are same. Third type, all three forms are different. Now we are going to see the second type. Two forms are same. Verb table. Here, Y will be changed into IED. Present, past, past participle. Accompany, accompanied, accompanied. Apply, applied, applied. Beautify, beautified, beautified. Carry, carried, carried. Classify, classified, classified. Clarify, clarified, clarified. Copy, copied, copied. Crucify, crucified, crucified. Deny, denied, denied. Disqualify, disqualified, disqualified. Dissatisfied, dissatisfied, dissatisfied. Yes, so far we have learned the verb table, two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs, how they are useful in making tenses correctly in sentences. Now let us see the tenses. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, meaning time. Tenses. First, we are going to say simple present tense. What is a simple present tense? Any verb takes two different forms in the simple present tense. So, the subjects are divided into two groups. Verb in the present form, verb 1. Verb in the present form, verb 1 plus s or es or ies. We must add s or es or ies to the main verb, or third person singular in the simple present tense. We can divide them into two groups, group 1 and group 2. Under group 1, all plural nouns and personal pronouns I, you, we, they. We use verb 1. Group 2, all singular nouns and all singular pronouns he, she, it. We have to add s or es or ies to the verb. Uses of simple present tense. Let us see the uses of simple present tense one by one. First one, to express a habitual action. Examples. Number 1, I get up at 5 o'clock every day. Number 2, our teacher always comes to school in time. Number 3, he always speaks truth. Number 4, fortune favors the brave. Second one, to express general truths. First one, the sun rises in the east. Second one, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Third one, honey is sweet. Fourth one, the earth revolves around the sun. Third one, in exclamatory sentences beginning with here and there, to express what is actually taking place at present. Here comes the train. There goes Sveta. There goes the car. Uses of simple present tense. Fourth point, in vivid narrative as substitute for the simple past. Example, Humayun enters the palace and climbs the stairs. Sixth one, to express future that is part of a fixed timetable or fixed program. Example, the train leaves at 4:20. Seventh one, to introduce quotation. Winston Churchill says, never, never give up. Eighth one, it is used instead of future tense in classes of time and condition. Example, if it rains, we shall get wet. If she comes, I shall go with her. Ninth one, present tense is used instead of present continuous tense in commentaries or sports events. Example, the batsman hits 4. Present tense is used instead of present continuous tense with the following verbs. Verbs of perception. Example, I believe you. Verbs of emotion. See, hear, smell, notice. I notice her arrival. She hears the tapping sound. Verbs of thinking. Seem, appear, look. Have, that means belong to or possess. That's wish, want, desire or feel. Examples, I have a car. I feel hungry. She wishes her friend. 10th one, present tense is used to express a situation that is permanent. Examples, Ravi's house is situated near sea. Wheat is grown in North India. Keywords for using present tense. What are the keywords? Always, ever, never, usually, generally, regularly, daily, rarely, commonly, every day, every morning, every week, every month, and every year. These are the rules for using simple present tense. To understand present tense clearly, we will deal with examples for present tense in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this. முடிச்சா அதுக்கு நான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் போவேன்.